Hello and welcome back everyone. Hope you're doing wonderful out there. My name is Zena and I'm coming at you here at PVK to showcase a very special custom coming from Rainy Valadin. This, of course, is the Custom Coffin Dagger Dual Action Custom. It features full burgundy micarta handle scales, done on a very nice high polished gloss to give it a shine. Also featuring satin finished hardware along with a satin finished full stainless steel back spine, given this very well done milled out pattern to give it a nice textured grip along the side portions of its handle. It also features full titanium liners done in purple anodization to give it a nice pop of color along the side of the knife. Now this is a dual action custom, so you have two different modes of opening this one. You either have a manual simply by pinching on that dull spine on the knife itself. However, it also has an automatic simply by pushing on the button. Fully done in a satin finish, false edged back spine. It does have an edge on the front, but false on the back. Fully done in ATS-34 steel. Now, although it does have a false edge on the back, it still comes to a very nice point up at the top there. Now this is a larger custom, coming in a full 9¼ inch when fully open. Features a 4-inch blade along with a 5¼ inch handle. So it is a big one. And we do hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe for more content. Definitely keep a lookout on our other socials where we do post daily. We do everything from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and everything here on YouTube. As always, we appreciate you tuning in and stay tuned for the next one, folks.